everyone, and welcome back to another aquatic adventure. I'm Erin with Wave Foundation at Newport Aquarium, and we are here at one of our smaller exhibits around the aquarium, and it is looking a little bit like a coral reef, but I'm actually going to turn the camera around during this video because we are going to look at some of our smaller friends that are in here, and it is very hard to see me and them at the same time. So what we're going to be looking for is some of our baby sharks that are called Epaulette sharks. And they have a second name. They're often called the walking shark. And at first, I'm not going to tell you and explain that one. I'm going to turn my camera around and show you our sharks. Hopefully they're visible right now. And then we're going to talk about why are they called the walking shark and some of the really cool adaptations that the epaulettes have for survival. So let's take a look. So we have two epaulettes in this exhibit, and one of them has found a great sleeping spot, which is right here under this coral. And one really important thing that you can see about this shark right now is that really big black spot. And what that is actually called is a false eye spot. And its purpose is exactly what its name sounds like. It is meant to look like the eye of a shark or another animal. And that is because if a predator were to see that eye, you're probably going to think that this is a very large animal because that is a very large eye. That is not, in fact, their eye. It is simply a spot along the side of their body. That shark that we are looking at right now is probably only about 6 to 8 inches long. But a predator might think it's a lot larger because of that large eye. So that's one of our epaulette sharks in here. And the other one has been exploring that white rock right there. And of course, as I am talking about them, he has gone into a corner where I cannot currently see him. So we are gonna hopefully see him in a moment. But I will zoom out a little bit here and show you the title for this shark. So they are an epaulette shark. And you can see in this picture that false eye spot compared to their actual eye, and that size difference. So that eye spot is a really, really great camouflage mechanism for them. And my other shark is right here visible. And so we are going to keep watching how this shark moves a little bit. And if you notice along the side of the body, you'll see its fins are actually walking a little bit along the bottom of our exhibit. And that is why these are called a walking shark. They actually are found in the tide pools in the rocky areas along a coastal ecosystem, and they will move with those pectoral fins and walk along the rocks of the ocean, or along the edge of the ocean, and that will be how they move from tide pool to tide pool. They are moving from pool to pool in search of food, but also in search of water that has more oxygen in it. So they are able to move along an area that doesn't have so much water because they can walk on those fins. And this epaulette shark is going to come on out here. As I say it, I'm just really hopeful, and show us that walking ability. So you can see his big false eye spot. And then, like I said, those two fins that are on the side of his body, you can see he is starting to walk on those. And actually, I'm saying that, and I don't know if this is a boy, but this shark is walking on those fins. Now, like I said, they are along the intertidal zone, the coral reefs, and so they are hiding animals. They are very small in size, so hiding is very common for them. So I'm glad we have gotten to see this epaulette shark today. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day and enjoy our aquatic adventures with our epaulette shark.